Some unusual plants. Plants like molds and mushrooms are non-green plants. Such non-green plants do not contain chlorophyll. Therefore, they cannot make their own food. Such non-green plants depend upon dead and decaying plants and animals for their food. Some plants like crotons have chlorophyll in their leaves, but they appear red. This is because the red colored pigment hides the green chlorophyll, but photosynthesis does take place in these plants because of the presence of chlorophyll. Energy flow in living things. We all need energy to do work. The green plants utilize sun's energy to make food. Animals and human beings get energy from the plants when they eat them as food. In this way, energy passes from the sun to plants, then to human beings and animals. Interdependence of plants and animals. Animals and plants depend upon each other to survive in this world. Animals need food and oxygen to live. They eat plants as their food. Plants give them food and oxygen. Plants make their food by photosynthesis and give out oxygen for animals to breathe. Plants need carbon dioxide for making their food. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide and help the plants to carry on their process of making food. Interdependence of plants and animals. Balance in nature. Plants and animals depend on each other, but a balance should be maintained between the number of plants and animals. If all of a sudden the number of plants increases, then the animals would not be able to give enough of carbon dioxide to them for photosynthesis. In the same way, if the number of animals increases, the plants would not be able to supply enough of oxygen to them to breathe. As a result, the balance of nature will get disturbed. To maintain the balance in nature, we must protect plants and animals. The government has established wildlife sanctuaries to protect the wild animals. Here, hunting and killing of wild animals is banned. Government has launched programs like One Mahotsav. Under this program, new tree saplings are planted. Now people are aware of the harm caused due to the cutting of trees. You too can be an environmentalist. 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. You can contribute by planting a sapling in your school, garden or at a time. You can also adopt a tree. Chlorophyll present in plants help them to prepare their own food. A leaf has a main vein and a network of veins to transport food and water. Photosynthesis is the process of making food by green leaves in the presence of sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and water. Oxygen is given out and glucose is formed as food. Starch turns blue-black in color with iodine solution. Energy flows from the sun to plants, then to human beings and animals. Animals and plants depend on each other for their survival. We should protect plants and animals to maintain a balance in nature. Visit to a nursery. Visit a nursery to close your house. Identify the names of at least 5 new plants. Collect some information about these plants. Paste the pictures. Write their names and information about these plants in your scrapbook. Make charts. Divide the class into 3 teams. Ask team A make 2 charts on the structure of a leaf and also show the presence of stomata in it. Life skill. Protection of plants. 22nd of April is celebrated as the Earth Day. Ask your parents to help you to plant a sapling. Name it. Take care of the sapling every day as your own friend. Teacher's note. Take the children out in the school garden and ask them to observe various plants and their parts. They can be asked to observe the structure of leaf, show various vegetables in the class to explain how food is stored in various parts of a plant.